Hello dear friends, welcome to Take on the channel. In this video, how to let people amplify stories that mention you on Instagram. So watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile account. Click setting and activity. After click setting and activity, click tag and mention. Okay, I click tag and mention. The down page allow people to post stories they mention you in. Active the option. Turn on the option. Click. Very easy. I post link. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tag on tag.